Hey everyone, and once again, welcome to WsCubeTech English channel. Myself, Umar Guys, in this particular video of Facebook ad series, we are basically not going to talk about any technical steps with regards to Facebook advertisement systems, right? We are basically going to talk about one strategy that is basically called as Octopus Marketing. So, we'll be understanding what is Octopus Marketing and how can we use it, right? So, we are not going to talk very specifically about Facebook ads. We will be focusing ourselves on strategy in this particular video, and we will make sure that how can we implement this strategy, how can we follow this approach to get more sales or to get more leads or to get more traffic on your landing page, e-commerce website, whatever it is, right? So but that is basically whatever goal you have, right? So how can we actually implement Octopus Marketing, and what is Octopus Marketing, how it is going to help us? This is what we are going to discuss in this particular video. So before actually starting this video, I would like to request you to please do subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you do not miss any one of the upcoming videos, right? So in this particular video, we are basically going to talk about Octopus Marketing. So let's discuss the concepts of Octopus Marketing, and this concept is here in your Facebook ads course, right? So let's say you have a website or you have a landing page. We can assume it like this one, right? We have a website or we have a landing page. Let me create this thing first over here. So we have one landing page over here. It can be your e-commerce website also. It can be your normal service based website also, right? So you have all these options, right? So let's assume this is one landing page which we are using to advertise our Facebook ads. Now we have Facebook ad system over here, right? We have Facebook ad system over here, and whenever we want to do the remarketing, right? We know that there are different people who are coming onto our website through different sources. People are also coming from Facebook ads because we are running Facebook ads. So the traffic from Facebook ads is also coming onto our landing page, right? And traffic from different sources, if we have genuine sources, if we have relevant sources, like if we have developed organic source also, people from organic source will also come onto our landing page. If we have good social media presence, people will come from social media also. So we have different sources through which people are coming onto our this landing page, right? Now what we want is we want to remarket to these people, right? We want to show our different ads to these people who basically landed on this particular landing page, right? So what we have to do is basically we have to install our Facebook pixel, right? We have to extract the Facebook pixel from our Facebook ads account, and then we have to implement this Facebook pixel or install this Facebook pixel on our landing page, which will basically track different events, which will basically track different audiences, and we can categorize that audiences based on different parameters like age group, like the page that particular audience visited and everything. We can categorize that audience. We can create new audiences, and then we can show our ads to that audience through Facebook ad system. But one thing which is very important, you can only show ads to these people on Facebook, right? On Instagram or on Facebook audience network. If they are going to like Google, you cannot show your ads over there, right? What I am telling you is very important. Whenever you are basically implementing Facebook pixel on your landing page, how it is going to help you is whatever visits are happening or whatever interactions are happening on your landing page, based on those interactions, based on those visits, Facebook pixel will help you to create audience so that you can target or retarget those people, those audiences once again on Facebook properties, right? So you have that limitation. Facebook pixel will only help you to retarget that audience on Facebook's network only, which means that you can show ads if they are going to Facebook, right? Facebook and different locations of Facebook like feeds, right? Or wherever they are going, you can show your ads to them, right? Your remarketing audiences. You can also show them your ads if they are going to Instagram, right? You can again show your ads to them if they are going to Facebook audience network assets, right? Facebook audience network assets, right? But what if this particular audience is going on to Google? Because it is high probability that this particular audience will browse different websites also. So how can you retarget them, right? Because if you are not going to retarget them, your competitor will, and they will convert your prospect into lead, or they will convert your prospect into like paying customer, right? You cannot miss this potential, right? You cannot let your competitor snatch your prospects, right? So what you have to do is now in your strategy, we are not only limited to Facebook ads thing, right? now we also have to show our ads to Google properties. So for this, what we have to do is we have to implement Google remarketing tag on our this landing page, and this tag will collect the same information like how many visitors were there, where they went, on what pages they went, what interactions they did, right? All these things will be tracked by Google remarketing pixel, right? And these information which is tracked by, or which is captured by Google remarketing tag or Google remarketing pixel, will be sent to or pushed to uh, Google system, right? So now we have the option of creating audiences within Google ads, right? Now we can show ads on Google's properties, right? So if any audience is going on different websites, and if those websites are AdSense approved, what we can do is basically we can create audiences over here. Like I want to create an audience which basically visited on a home page of our website, right? Or which interacted on our landing page, or which scrolled our landing page for 100%, or which clicked on any video which is there on our landing page, right? So based on all these interactions, we can create a remarketing audience. And this time we are not creating remarketing audience within Facebook ads, we are creating remarketing audience within Google ads, because now we want to show our ads to this particular audience if they are going on to different websites. Similarly, if they are going on to Twitter, we can implement that Twitter tag onto our website, and that tag will now send the same information to Twitter ad system, right? If we want to show our ads to this particular audience on LinkedIn, if they are going on LinkedIn also, we do not want to miss that potential. And yes, we are saying that okay, if this audience is going on Facebook, we will remarket them. If this audience is going on Google, we will again remarket them. If this audience is going on Pinterest, then again we will remarket them. If this audience is going on Twitter, we will again remarket them, right? So whatever platform this particular audience is choosing, we are there, right? So this is basically called as Octopus marketing, and this is very smart approach. And since we all know that today digital marketing is very aggressive, if you are not doing this, no issues, your competitor will do it and they will snatch your prospects. So to overtake competitors and to convert our prospects into paying customers, what we have to do is we have to implement these kind of strategies. So this is how the concept of Octopus marketing is going to help us, right? So let me summarize this thing. So we have uh, some audience, right? We have some audience which basically, let's say this one is the audience set where we are having 2K people, right? Which interacted on our landing page, right? And now if they are going on Google, we can retarget them. Now if they are going on like LinkedIn, we can retarget them. Now if they are going once again on Facebook, we can retarget them, right? If they are going on Twitter, we can retarget them. So wherever the members of this particular audience is going, we have our pixel, right? We have our pixel installed on this landing page, and that will push data to that particular ad system, right? And that pixel is from that ad system only, right? When we talk about Facebook pixel, it is coming from Facebook, right? When we talk about Twitter pixel, it comes from Twitter, right? And that pixel, which is Twitter pixel or Twitter code, right? That will send information back to Twitter only, right? It will not send information back to Facebook, right? So once the information is into Twitter ad system, now we can create campaigns from there also. So this is what we call as Octopus marketing. Now you can see, you can visualize this diagram is looking like octopus. So now we always have the options of implementing Octopus marketing and its approach into our campaigns, into our marketing strategy. That's it for this specific video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.